How to draw an awesome apple. It's very easy. All you have to do is grab a Sharpie, a piece of paper, draw the outline of the apple, add some shading to the apple depending on the direction that the light is coming from. Then I add some more abstract lines, and from there, add some shading to those as well. I draw some wavy lines, and I make sure that the lines are overlapping each other and going behind each other to add more depth. To increase this depth, add shading behind those lines, and then I add some more abstract lines going in different directions to draw your eye to the apple, and to make the lines that are lighter and that don't have as much shading stand out a lot more. To create this greater look of depth, I make sure that there's a lot of shading areas and make some areas very dark, whereas some areas don't have as much shading and they stand out a lot more. You can call this contrast. Add some stippling to the wavy lines to make those stand out as more. And then I continue adding some wavy lines that go into a circle around the apple and add shading to those to give it a more realistic look. Although it's abstract, you can still add some realistic forms and shapes and shading to it as well to give it a really good look. I hope you enjoyed this drawing. If you'd like to see more Sharpie drawings of anything, of food, of apples, of people, or if you have any suggestions or questions, let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.